Welcome to SSV Sanskrit News Channel. Today, I would like to share about great news of Sanskrit and establishment of Sanskrit University in Telangana. Sanskrit is not just a language. It is the soul of Bharatiya civilization. It is a language of Vedas, Upanishad, Puranas and thousands of classical works in science, philosophy, medicine, mathematics and art. Telangana has a glorious history of Sanskrit learning. From Bhadradri Ramadasu to Pingali Venkatarama Shastri, the echoes of Sanskrit vibrate across this land. But even today, in the 21st century, when we speak of higher education in Sanskrit, we are forced to look towards other states because Telangana does not have its own dedicated Sanskrit university. Why do we need Sanskrit University in Telangana? A Sanskrit University is not just a place for language study. It is a research hub, a heritage center, and a beacon for India's knowledge traditions. Provide advanced courses in Vedic studies, Indian philosophy, Ayurveda, Jyotisham, Arthashastra, and many more. Encouraging interdisciplinary research, linking Sanskrit with modern science and technology, offer opportunities for thousands of students and scholars who otherwise migrate to other states, preserve endangered manuscripts and promote digital Sanskrit education, training new generations of teachers, researchers and translators. Why do we need Sanskrit in Telangana? Despite being a culturally vibrant state, with hundreds of Sanskrit colleges, schools and pandits, Telangana lack an apex institute to integrate, guide and elevate Sanskrit learning. A state Sanskrit University will provide an organized platform to uplift and unify these scattered efforts, giving a clear academic career path to Sanskrit students from Telangana. National Education Policy, known as NEP, and Sanskrit under the National Education Policy in 2020. Sanskrit has been given special status. The policy calls for promotions of Indian languages and Sanskrit as a mainstream language of knowledge and culture. Establishing a Sanskrit university aligns perfectly with the national vision, and Telangana must not lag behind. Let us not forget civilization, survived by economics alone, but by the strength of the culture. Sanskrit is the foundation of Indian identity, and Telangana must proudly become a torchbearer of Sanskrit revival. We humbly appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana to take this historic and visionary step to bless our state with a Sanskrit university that will stand as a temple of learning for generations to come. Let Telangana rise not only in technology and development, but also in tradition, wisdom and cultural pride. Thank you.